decrease or increase the voltage, speed of the motors. So if you want that kind of functionality, you can connect it to AC. So we can control value by value. Instead of controlling directly, we can control value by value. So in digital we will be getting only 0 and 1. So 1 is nothing but high, 0 is nothing but low. So basically here you can see the code. What I have did, like I have defined pins here on the top. So A0 I have connected sensor output. Here LED pin green and LED pin